Hey everyone, this is Balot Del Rosario, and I am your certified aromatherapist here at Lana Lane. And today we will be talking about another essential oil highlight, and I'm talking about pine essential oil. So, this is that oil, and um, there will be several versions when you jump from one company to another. That is why it's very important to really know the Latin binomial of each essential oil. So pine is just pine for young living, and it's called Scotch Pine for Aromatics International, and it's called Pine Scots from Plant Therapy. So let me just share my screen with you and let us discuss a little bit about Scotch pine or pine Scots essential oil. So pine has a Latin binomial, Pinus sylvestris. So if you check all those three brands that I showed you a while ago, they would have the same Latin binomial. And it would come from branches, twigs, and needles, which are steam distilled, and it would produce a top note that would last 1 to 2 years. So this oil is very rich in monoterpenes, and these are components which are very, very light. So their shelf life is a little bit short than other oils. So pine would have similar shelf life with your citruses. So the aroma is very fresh and woodsy. Um, and then it's sourced from Canada, France, Bulgaria, and Austria. All right. So, what are the different characteristics of pine? According to Gabriel Mohe, it restores emotional positivity, and the oil, when you smell it, it gives you really a very, very positive feeling. So it's helpful for anyone who is stressed. It's also good for muscular aches and pains. So if you need relief from arthritis or rheumatism, this oil is very, very good to blend with other analgesic oils. And like all other needles and pines and firs, it's also good for respiratory support. So it helps decongest respiratory airways and also can help relieve coughing. And it's also good for inflamed sinuses and spastic coughs. Although there is a note that oils with high apinine content might be a little bit problematic to asthmatics. So one technique that I always would share with my students is to let the person with asthma smell the cap of the oil and see if it actually helps them or not. If not, just use another oil. But if it helps ease up their airways, then you can use it at a low dilution when you apply it on your skin or if when you inhale it. So a blend that I would like to share with you is a master blend, which you can use for topical application in an inhaler or for steam inhalation or for diffusion. So this would be 6 drops Scotch pine or pine, 4 drops Eucalyptus globulus, and 6 drops cedarwood atlas. So this is a master blend. So if you have any questions about that, you can drop it in the comments if you don't know what a master blend is. But yeah, so I hope that you have learned something new today, and I hope that I have added a little bit of information so that you can use your pine essential oil if ever you have it. Do comment on what oil you would like me to feature next. But until next time, take care, everyone. Bye.